and my face looks the same. Confused, tired. Just show me a person who is hated and pretty. Don't blindly start following people on social media. I used to think like I'm so strong, no one can influence me. I know myself, but energy is real. When you surround yourself with people who are toxic, who gossip all the time, who hate on other people, you also become one of them. You start acting like them without even noticing. This is true because you are the average of five people you surround yourself with. When you hate someone, when your heart is filled with hate, it shows on your face. Because show me a person who is hated and pretty. You can't. And negativity you surround yourself with, it shows. Any person that is bringing negativity to your life, that is gonna affect your face. If you are in a situation that is so negative, that is constantly bringing negative energy to your life, it is gonna reflect on your face. There was a time in my life when I was just existing. Wake up, do some things, having no purpose in life, and then get back to sleep. That's it. No excitement, no direction, and my face looks the same. Confused, tired, having no interest in life. Have a purpose in your life. And it should not look like something big. Even a small things like you are going to gym every day because you want to look good, doing good in your career. You have some goals to work on. You feel excited to wake up every day and do the work. That's what makes you glow different. Please take care of your gut health. And I learned this the hard way. Don't blindly start following people on social media. Oh, somebody made that recipe, I have to try it too. No. Listen to your body. What works for them might not work for me. So listen to your gut. Is what I have learned that when you've been in a very tense situation from so long, it really affects your gut. Your gut becomes so sensitive. It becomes so sensitive to certain foods. So make sure you know about your gut health. And if you have really sensitive gut health, just don't try to follow people on internet. Don't try to eat their recipes. Don't blindly start filling your body just because you are hungry. No, and it will really going to affect your skin, your hair. So please heal your gut. So our next point is face yoga. And I know this is so small, but this is so helpful. And you don't realize that how much stress and tension our face carries. Like whenever you are in a situation that is so stressful, your jaw clench up, it feels so tight, or your eyebrows always be like this. So do face yoga. I found this one woman on the YouTube and her videos is so good. You can go and check it out. It works like a magic. And even if you don't have a time to do that full session, what you can do is have the same motions and repeat it daily. It really affects, like whenever you are going to apply moisturizer or your serums, you can repeat the same steps every single day and it works like a magic. Do something that you love, and not everything has to be money or some financial gains, but do something that makes your inner child happy. Like think about the things that you love to do as a child and then start doing it, like dancing in the room, dressing up for no reason, dream, create, anything that you love to do as a child, start doing that again. Because when you are happy, you just glow different. You might have seen people in love, they just glow differently, right? Because love has the power to change your entire energy. So imagine loving your life, imagine loving yourself, and you get that glow back. Eat clean. Now, I'm not saying that you always have to eat healthy or you should never eat junk, but balance is the key. Because when I'm constantly eating oily, fried, heavy foods, it really makes my skin look so dull, no life, and also it gives me constant breakouts. When you eat clean, home cooked foods, it really lighten up your skin. Don't suppress your emotion, and this one is big. I used to ignore my emotions so much, and the thing is, when you store your emotions, when those emotions kept stored in your body, it gets trapped and it is going to show as a physical illness. That stress is going to be visible through your dark under eyes, dull skin, thin hair. And emotions are not bad, so just don't try to suppress your emotions. Like whatever you are feeling, that is valid. Your emotions are valid, and the more you try to run away from your emotions, the more it will haunt you. Because if you are carrying things inside from so long, it is slowly going to steal that glow, and it is really going to affect your face and the way you look, and also it is going to manifest as a physical illness. So don't suppress your emotions.